why are they in a hurry to say it's not murder? You see, MR, we must come to the fact. D.R. Karthikeyan is saying that the CBI takes time. Mr. Karthikeyan remembers that when I was a reporter, I used to chase him with many mics many years back.
Yes, you are very effectively chasing me.
He remembers I have spent a few years chasing Mr. Karthikeyan day in and day out. I know the way the CBI operates. They don't operate very quickly. But why are some people expecting to close the case, Mr. Kakkar? That is the issue we need to discuss.
You see, Arnav, with due respect to the lobby which is against this particular investigation by the CBI and other agencies, let me tell you, now this is a case where death certainly took place in suspicious circumstances. By the time the CBI moved in, I will concentrate only on the CBI. By the time CBI moved in, the physical evidence was not available, scientific evidence was not available, the medical report, that was a postmortem report, was not very reliable. So therefore, when the CBI took over, they had to collect. Now, what are the ways? One is that scene of crime, then forensic experts examination and advice, and finally the post-mortem report what has been written. Now if the CBI initially had to interrogate all those people who first saw the thing, first saw that body, you see, and therefore they have done that, they have arrived at their conclusion, I'm very sure. The other is the forensic evidence. Have they been able to collect something which would suggest that it was not a suicide or it was a homicide, whatever it is. The third is the most important, is the medical report. Unfortunately, among the Hindus, we don't retain the dead body, and therefore it becomes all the more difficult to carry out. You know, in the case of a Christian, Muslim, it will be autopsy, things like that will be there.
But my question was not that.
But let me tell you, my question
No. My question is not that. My question was... My question was...
not beholden to any one of them.
No. My question is... My question is... My point is... No, sir. Sir, my question was, if murder can't be ruled out, haven't those who called it suicide prejudged the case, Gaurav Bhatia?
Definitely.
Haven't those who villainized... No, I follow a question. Haven't those who villainized the pursuit of justice? And I ask you, Gaurav, like we, for example, there is a whole army of people out there for whom public enemy number one is the Republic Network. They spend more of their time going to High Court, Supreme Court, stop it, media trial, X, Y, Z. Why did they want us to abandon the story? And why did they want to allow a man who's been killed to not get any justice? Basically, Gaurav, these people were against the public interest campaign for Sushant. They came to the conclusions. They called it a media trial. They called it motivated, inept, banal. Now they have nothing to say.